Welcome to Masterchem Academy. In this session, you are going to learn ELBS persulfate oxidation reaction. Okay, so it is a reaction of phenols. Reaction of phenols. Okay, what is ELBS persulfate? Monohydric phenols. Monohydric phenols. What is meant by monohydric phenols? So OH group, single OH group. Okay. So these are when treated with potassium persulfate, that is K2S2OH, potassium persulfate in alkaline solution. In alkaline solution means basic solution, or oxidized to give dihydric phenols. Okay, final product is dihydric phenol, OH. This is dihydric phenol. So this particular compound is called as quinol. Okay. So this is dihydric because OH groups, two OH groups are there. Okay. Now phenol is converted to quinol. Phenol is converted to quinol, means monohydric is converted to dihydric. Okay. So here intermediate compound is OH, OSO3K. OSO3K. This on hydrolysis gives quinol. Okay, monohydric phenols when treated with potassium persulfate in aqueous alkaline solution are oxidized to give dihydric phenols. The new OH group enters preferentially to para position. Okay, so this is ortho meta para. Okay, that's why OH group, new OH group enters to para position. What happens if para position is blocked? Okay, if para position is blocked, if it is this para position, it enters to the para position. Okay, if it is blocked with some other substituent, then what happens? So next incoming group, OH group, enters to the ortho position. Okay, because of as it is blocked, so it enters to the ortho position. Okay, remember this point. And now here what happens? Mechanism. Now mechanism, here OH phenol. Okay, now with OH minus, phenol with OH minus, basic condition, so it become as phenoxide ion. So here bonding is important, so O minus, here it is. Okay, so to show the delocalization of bonds, so you must represent these bonds, and now here this delocalization takes place. So next what it is? K2S2OH, so it exists as SO3K and OSO3K. Okay, so now this delocalization takes place in this manner, and KSO4 minus, loss of KSO4 minus. Okay, so loss of KSO4 minus along with this electron pair, that's why KSO4 minus. So what is the structure of the remaining resultant one? Now it is double bond O because of this transfer, so it become as double bond. Now here it is one bond, here one bond, and OSO3K. Here only SO3K. So because here what happens? It is K2S2OH, K2S2 plus 2, 8. Okay, so it is K2S2OH. So OSO3K. Okay, now here 3 bonds and fourth linkage is hydrogen. That's why, so this delocalization takes place in this manner, and what it gives? Here it is O minus, here bond, bond, bond OSO3K. Now hydrolysis. Hydrolysis takes place H3O plus. So due to the what is this? What is the product by hydrolysis? So here OH, phenol. Phenol is formed, okay, because of this H plus ions. Here O minus H plus OH, and here hydrolysis takes place HOH. So what is the resultant product? That is quinol. Okay, quinol. So this is example 1. If you take example 2, that is OHCH3, paracrysal. So if now para position is blocked with a CH3 group, so what happens? Now here these two are ortho position. Okay, that's why. So with the K2S2O8, NaOH followed by H3 hydrolysis. Okay, third one followed by hydrolysis. So what is the product? That is CH3. Here it is OH and OH. Okay, so it takes ortho position. So this is about Elb's persulfate oxidation reaction.